Hi, my name is Carissa and I'm a student at the Markstay-Warren Public Library. And today I'll be showing you a how-to on World Books. So we're going to be doing World Book Student, Advanced, and World Book Timelines. So to start off, we're going to need to write down our Markstay-Warren Public Library website in the Google search bar. So in the Google search bar, you're simply going to write down Markstay-Warren Public Library. Once that's done, you're going to want to scroll down and click on the first link. This will bring you directly to our home page. Once here, you're going to want to click the Online Resources tab on the left-hand side. You're going to want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on our Research Tools. Once here, you're going to see 3 different World Books. We're going to be starting with World Book Student. This link will take you directly to the World Book Student website. Here we have World Book Student. On World Book Student, you see a big search bar in the middle. You can search by typing or by your voice using the little microphone icon. On World Book Student, you have quick links at the bottom. As you see, you have different tabs. You have My Research, Timelines, Citation Builder, Browse by Subject, and Maps and Atlas. You also have Current Events, You have Biography Center, and Featured Media. As well, in the right-hand top corner, you have Education Tools. You have Advanced Searches, Atlas, Behind the Headlines, Biography Center, Browse by Subject, Citation Builder, Compare Places, Dictionary, Educator Tools, How to Do Research, where it shows you how to do research properly on the internet, Interactive Maps, My Research, Trivia Quizzes, and World Resources. So if we clicked on Advanced Search, this will let you do an advanced search of World Book, where you could search for a phrase, search for all of the words written, search for some of these words, and search for a date. So choosing a month, date, and or a year. You can also do a Lexer measure, and you can search for a term. You can browse by an option as well. So browse an encyclopedia, article by subject, browse back in time by year, or browse resource guides. You also have a dictionary that is accessible to you through World Book Student. In this dictionary, you are able to research certain words and their definitions. Heading back to our Online Resource tab, we now have World Book Advanced. So this is World Book Advanced. Just like World Book Student, we have a big search bar in the middle where you could perform basic searches for some words and some definitions. At the bottom, you have your resources, training and support, policies, administrators, and about World Book. You also have arrows on the side, which lets you change the pictures and see all the pictures available on World Book Advanced. In the top corner, you also have In the Headlines, which gives you updated headlines on news around the world. Right beside that, to the right, you have Research and Resources. In Research and Resources, you have Atlas, Behind the Headlines, Citation Builder, Compare Places, Dictionary, Educator Tool, Government Websites, Interactive Maps, My Research, Pathfinder, Resource Guides, Timelines, Today in History, World Newspaper, and World Resources. You have a dictionary as well as in World Book Student. To do an advanced search, it is the exact same way as you do in World Book Student. So you can search for a word or phrase, you can browse options, and you can do a Lexile measure search. All of these options let you do an advanced search properly. You also have a search bar at the top, which lets you search for specific terms. And you also have a media option where it lets you search for photos and videos that might be available on World Book Advanced. Now, back to our online resource. Last but not least, we have World Book Timelines. World Book Timelines lets you explore different timelines from across our time span. So, in World Book Timelines, you have a search bar where you can search for timelines by start date and end date. You also have different World Book Timelines. You have My Timelines, and you can also create a timeline. As you see, there's a featured timeline today, which is Australian literature. The Australian literature timeline is a featured timeline today. World Book Timeline is divided into different categories. We have countries, continents and regions, literature, notable people, science and technology, sports and games, systems and institutions, the arts, and we also have world history. And that is World Book Timelines. That concludes World Books. If you have any other questions about World Book Students, World Book Advanced, or World Book Timelines, or any other of our online resources, feel free to contact the library via our email or via our telephone number 705-599-2665 or 705-599-3009. Thank you so much for watching our video, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.